I am Nellie. Welcome to English for Mum. I'm so excited to help you learn English. Let's start our adventure together. Hi, today's story is about the jacket that never fit. I thought it was perfect, but it was a disaster. Come on, I'll show you what happened. It all started on a beautiful day like this.
Ethan had always noticed Daniel's jacket.
That jacket again?
What? I like it.
You wear it every day.
So? It's comfortable.
Hey, check out my new jacket.
It wasn't just any jacket. It was clean, stylish, and looked expensive.
Yeah, it's the best.
While Ethan wore the same faded hoodie every day.
Hey, Daniel!
Morning. Did you finish the homework?
Yeah, it was easy. You?
Almost. Can I see yours?
Sure, here you go.
Thanks. You're the best. That jacket is so nice.
Yeah, it really suits him. Did you finish the homework?
Most of it. Want to look at it together?
Yeah, that would be great, thanks.
Okay, so for this part, you just need to add these two numbers.
Oh, I get it now.
Ethan couldn't help but feel a growing sense of envy.
Why does he get everything so easily?
Why does he get something so nice? It's not fair. It's just not fair. I wish I had that. That was exhausting. Yeah, I'm starving.
Ethan noticed Daniel had left his blue jacket unattended in the locker room. He was tempted to take it, but hesitated. Temptation took over.
No one will notice. This is it. Keep going. But what if they find out? I have to be careful. I need to go now.
It feels different.
Instead, he looked uneasy, distracted.
Where did it go?
I think I may have left my jacket in the locker room. If anyone has picked it up, I would really appreciate it if you could return it to me. It has sentimental value, as it belonged to my father.
Oh, that's sweet. I'll check the lost and found.
I feel really upset and down. Where could my jacket be?
Oh no, what happened?
Yeah, jackets don't just vanish. We can help you look. It belonged to my dad.
Oh, Daniel, I'm so sorry.
That's really special.
He was my hero. You can always talk to us.
I'm so proud of you, son. I miss you, Dad. I'll always be with you. Thank you. I love you. Goodbye, Dad.
It was the only thing his father had left him. That still carried his father's scent and warmth.
Suddenly, the jacket no longer felt like a prize.
It felt like a burden. The next morning, he brought the jacket back.
Daniel, I'm so sorry. I took your jacket.
What we envy may carry stories we cannot see, and what we have may already be enough. 我们所羡慕的，也许背后有我们看不见的故事，而我们所拥有的，
可能早已足够。
If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. Next up, vocabulary. Let's break down some interesting words we just encountered. Like this place, it's serene. That means calm and peaceful. Look around, doesn't it feel serene? Jacket, 夹克. A piece of clothing worn on the upper body to keep warm. 穿在上半身用来保暖的衣服.
To be the right size for someone, it means your clothes fit your body well. Not too tight, not too loose. That's the perfect fit.
Jealous means feeling unhappy because someone else has something you want. For example, you might feel jealous if your friend gets a new toy you wanted. It's normal, but talking about it can help.
Stealing is taking something that isn't yours, without permission. It's important to always ask first and respect others' things.
Hello everyone, and welcome. It's time for our Q&A session. First question, what's it like living in these hills? I love it. The fresh air, the beautiful views, it's paradise. Great, keep those questions coming. Why did Ethan take Daniel's jacket? A, he needed it for school. B, he wanted to help Daniel. D, he took it by mistake. The answer is C. He felt jealous. Jealousy is when someone feels upset because they want what someone else has. It's a common feeling, but it's important to talk about it. What happened after the jacket was taken? The answer is C. Ethan realized his mistake. Let's walk along this path. What did Ethan realize later? Was it A, the jacket was too big? B, his action was wrong? C, Daniel didn't care? Or D, the teacher would help him? The answer is B, his action was wrong. Let me explain why as we walk. He didn't consider the consequences of his choice. So, B is the correct answer. What did Ethan do after realizing his mistake? The correct answer is C. He apologized to Daniel. It's always best to take responsibility for our actions. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the thumbs up, and ring the notification bell so you never miss an update. It's time to say goodbye for now. See you in the next lesson. What a beautiful day. Keep exploring. Until next time.